Got it plugged into some power there. Press the button. Works okay, but it still doesn't come through to the app. I've paired it all up, but it doesn't come through to the app even if it's on charge, like that. But if I take the power out, it's got no power, press the button, nothing, and then I'll put the back on it, like that. It's all secure as it should be. Press the button, nothing, completely dead. So it doesn't work without charging, and even if you've got power plugged into it, it still doesn't show any output on the app that I've paired with it.